Welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is Christos. Dear friends, Irene Humin, peace be with you. This is Father Joel Kamaya, Salesian of Don Bosco, and welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is Christos. The Greek word Christos means the Anointed One or the Messiah. It comes from the verb chrio, meaning to anoint. In the context of the Bible, it signifies someone who is anointed by God for a particular purpose. Often this is in reference to Jesus Christ. You see that? Christ, who is seen as the fulfillment of the Old Testament prophecy of the Messiah. And there are, of course, words or names that are derived from Christos. Of course, Christ. This is the most direct derivation, referring specifically to Jesus as the Messiah. Kaya nga meron tayong Kristo. At yung Kristo na yon galing dun sa, yung Espanyol yung gumagamit ng Kristo, no? At yung iba pang mga lingwahe na malapit dun sa Latin, Christus. And we also have the word Christian. It's a term used to describe followers of Christ, meaning belonging to Christ. And then, of course, derived from that, Christianity, the religion based on the life, teachings, and works of Jesus Christ. So, in fact, in the New Testament, from the letters of Paul, also the Acts of the Apostles, it's no longer just Jesus, as in the Gospels, but they put them together, Jesus Christ. So, the term Christos is commonly found, therefore, in the New Testament and refers to Jesus as the Messiah. Like in Matthew chapter 16, verse 16, when Simon Peter said, "You are the Messiah, Christos, the Son of the living God." In John chapter 1, verse 41, the first thing Andrew did was to find his brother Simon and tell him, "We have found the Messiah, Christos." That's why we can ask ourselves this question. How can I live as someone anointed by Christ, embodying the qualities He demonstrated in His ministry? And that's our word for today. May these words accompany us as we grow in faith. Meron ba mga salita sa Biblia na mas gusto niyong maintindihan at malaman kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Pwede kayong mag-comment, magtanong kayo at sasagutin natin yan. And, of course, I invite you to like, to share, and to subscribe.